Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I was checking out the Smart IO channel and it mentioned that it had AI powered smart templates. As I was saying, Draw AI now has AI powered smart templates, but I wanted to check to see if that was true for the desktop version, which let me just double check, make sure that there are updates available. No updates available, but when I go to File, New, create new diagram, you'll see that there are no smart templates. So that so the new smart templates are only if you're using Draw.io online. Discard changes. So let's go online. Smart templates right here, and describe my diagram. You see I've got a bunch of diagram types here. So I'm going to describe my diagram. Let's say describe the workflow for organizing an international sales trip across 4 different countries with 9 different cities. I'll leave it at that. Diagram type, I have to choose and I'll go with a requirement diagram. Why not? I don't know which one's supposed to be. So I click generate. Okay. I got an error. So let's try a different one. We'll say sequence diagram. Generate. And that one worked. So let's take a look, and I click create. Sure, I'll use root folder. I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's close out that. And here is our what do they call this one? Not quite sure what kind of diagram this is or what's the name of it. And now if I click into it, Control A, there should be a way for me to edit the data. Text, arrange. No. Extras, so file. I'm looking for the edit option because I want to, I can change that, but where is edit? Okay, edit data. It's giving me the data points. Let me see if I go back and select it all, text. It's not giving me the option to edit the data anymore, style. So there's definitely a learning curve here to edit diagram. Let's see if that works. There we go. Okay, so this is not Mermaid. This is something else, MXL. Geometry, country coordinator. Okay, so MXL, this is something specific to this particular diagram. Cancel. Well, for giggles, let's go ahead and do a new one. New library. No. Open from. No. Close. Let's do that. Create a new diagram. Smart template. Flowchart. Right, so process for determining a life-altering decision. And yeah, I'll leave that. We'll call this LD and flowchart. Generate. Okay, that's not much of a flowchart, but let's take a look at it. Create. Yeah, I use the root folder. Don't know what that means. Okay, spacebar. I hold the spacebar to maybe move it around. Option 7. Okay, wow. Consider the options. This is not a whole lot to work here. You have 20 options, but no logic. So there it is. Smart diagrams. What I wanted to do, edit data. Cancel. Maybe Control A. No, it's not giving me the edit data option. All right, so maybe the only edit data I can do is under the one they gave the demonstration, which was a pie chart. How percentage of people on the planet that understand cause and effect. Yeah. Cause and effect, believe in flat Earth, and percentage of people who dance for rain. All right, let's call this a pie chart. Generate. All right, and create this. All right, so here we are. And this is the only one I think that will actually have access to the code, to the Mermaid code. Edit data. Oh, look at that. Here it is. So here's the edit data. Prompt, percentage of people. Here's the prompt. Okay. And it made up a bunch of numbers for us. So let's change the number. We'll say this is 60 and this is 25. Apply. Huh. Okay, it didn't work. Maybe, okay, here we go. Try it here. 50. Oh, it did. It did work. It just didn't update it. Or did it? It didn't. Now it did. But it's doing it for me automatically. Interesting. All right, I'm done. Thanks for watching. This is diagrams.net online. Again, Draw.io locally does not work with smart diagrams. Thank you for watching. Happy computing.